In today's class, in 11th accountancy, we are on chapter depreciation, and then in the chapter depreciation, we already completed theory part and numerical of fixed methods. In that part, I explained you two formulas. One is cost price into rate upon 100, and second formula, which we completed yesterday, was cost price minus scrap value upon life. Today I am going to start a next method, second method, which is known as WDV, written down value method. And WDV method is also known as, various names are there. So WDV, written down value method, reducing balance method, diminishing method. So various names are there. Reducing balance method, because in this method we calculate depreciation on the reducing balance. So that's why diminishing also, because the value of depreciation goes down. Okay, any method we can use, but written down value method is acceptable by income tax authorities in India. So it is always advisable to use WDV method. Now, how to calculate WDV method's depreciation? Today I am going to explain you. You can write the different names. Now, note down one question. See, one question on, note down please, 1st April 17, company purchase a plant of rupees, please note down, 1 lakh. On 1st April 2017, company purchased a plant of rupees 1 lakh, depreciation at the rate of 10% per annum by WDV method. This is the question. So please note down. 1/4/17, company purchased a plant of rupees 1 lakh, depreciation at the rate of 10% per annum by WDV method. Prepare plant account for 4 years. For 4 years. See, be careful. See the question, how many years they are giving. Yesterday we have completed the question of 4 years, the day before yesterday 3 years. So it depends on the situation. Here that question is for 4 years. So see how we have to make it. Look at the screen. Center half, date, particular amount, date, particular amount, this is credit, this is debit, and we have to make plant account. Please make the format. Noel John, please make the format. Note down the question. Now see how to do it. Look at the board now. 1 April 2017. 1 April 17. To bank 1 lakh. As I told you, according to rules of accounting, plant comes in, that's why debit, and payment from bank is going out, that's why credit. But my dear students, if the payment made in cash, am I audible? Akshi? If the payment made through cash, then you have to write here cash account. Now see, 1st April 17. The year ends on 31st March 18. 31st March 18. 31st March 18 by depreciation. Now the depreciation will be on 1 lakh. Okay, and the amount of depreciation, how to calculate? See on the screen, 1 lakh into 10 upon 100, that is 10,000. This is in the first year. First year, the depreciation calculation, look at the screen, 1 lakh into 10 upon 100, 10,000. So here we will write 10,000. Now, same date by balance CD. Balance CD means balance carried down. In few books, that is written CF means carry forward. So 1 lakh minus 10,000, that is 90,000. Any doubt how that 90,000 comes? 1 lakh debit side, credit side 10,000, so balance is 90,000. This is CD, carried down, or we can say closing. Now this balance will come in the debit side. Next year, 1/4/18. 1/4/18. To balance BD. That 90,000 will be this side. Then 31st March 19. This is second year. What will be the amount of depreciation? Yes, look at the screen. Second year. Now this is not the fixed method. So depreciation will not be same. Now the depreciation will be on 90,000 into 10 upon 100. That is 9,000. Clear? Got it? See now, the depreciation is reducing, written down, diminishing. Now this year by depreciation account is 9,000. Now what will be the balance? 90,000 minus 9,000, that will be balance CD is 81,000. Then this balance will be here 1/4/20. To balance BD is 81,000. Yes, look again how that 9,000 and 81,000 will be there. See, 90,000 is the opening balance. 10% depreciation on it, that is 9,000. So the depreciation amount is 9,000. 90,000 minus 9,000, 81,000 is remaining. So 81,000. Now this 81,000 which was closing in that next year, that is beginning 81,000. Now the year 31st March 2020 by depreciation. And this 81,000 rupees is the opening balance. So in the third year, 81,000 into 10 upon 100, that is 8100 rupees. How that 8100 rupees will come? 10% of opening balance. In this method, WDB method, every year depreciation is reducing. See, this year the depreciation is 8100. First year, 10,000. Second year, 9,000. Third year, 8100. Now what will be the balance? How to calculate balance, Maya? Debit minus credit. So here, by balance, CD or carried down, this minus this. That is 81,000. This year 72,900 is the remaining amount. That will be in 1,421 to balance BD, and that is 72900. Now my question is to you, what will be the amount of depreciation in that year? Yes, please. What will be the amount of depreciation in the fourth year? See, fourth year, 72900 into 10 upon 100. That is 7290 rupees. So here, 31st March 20. March 21, the amount of depreciation is 7290, same rate, by balance CD, and this minus this. 65610. This is the question for 4 years, and last you will close it by the double lines. See, this one will be double line. Okay, I am explaining you again. Look at the board. Now I will ask the question from you, so be alert. My company is using WDB method. On 1st April 17, company purchased a plant of rupees 1 lakh. Depreciation 10% by WDB method. And account is prepared for 4 years. So we are going to start from here. 1470 to bank account 1 lakh. By depreciation 10,000. 1 lakh minus 10,000, 90,000 is balance. This 90,000 will come here. Then 90,000 minus 9,000, that is 81,000. This 81,000 will be here. See how to calculate depreciation, you have to show by working out. First year on 1 lakh, 1 lakh into 10 upon 100, that is 10,000. So when we subtract 10,000 from 1 lakh, the balance is 90,000. This 90,000 closing balance will come here as opening balance. Okay. Then on 90,000 second year 10%. That will be 9,000. So 90,000 minus 9,000, that is 81,000. Now this 81,000, which is closing balance, will come here, become opening balance, 81,000. Now on 81,000, company will charge 10% depreciation, that is 8,100. So 81,000 minus 8,100, the balance is 72,900. This 72,900 will be opening balance. Now company will charge depreciation on this amount 72900. 72900, and on 72900 the amount of depreciation is 7290. Then how that amount will come? Balance CD. Yes, now my question is from my head. How this amount is there? 65610.
By subtracting debit side with credit side of depreciation.
By subtracting debit from credit. Akshi, is she saying right?
Ma'am, we have to find the difference of debit and credit, then the balance will come.
No, the language should be proper, na beta. Both of you are not giving the answer in the correct way. Sawan, how that amount will come 65610? Simple language, by subtracting credit side from debit side. Debit side is 72900 and that depreciation is 7290. So the balance remains here, that is 65610. Please note down. Sawan, be careful, be attentive, beta. You don't know how to calculate balance. How to calculate balance? Debit is bigger than credit. So subtract the credit side from the debit side. Your balance will be there. Note down, children. And if you have any doubt, you can ask. I will explain you. Noel John. If you have any doubt, please ask. You can ask. Note down, then I am going to give you one question for homework. How to calculate depreciation, you have to give it in the formula in working mode also. First year, second year, third year and fourth year. Noel John, have you copied down beta? And then after calculating depreciation amount, we have to calculate 1, 2, 3, 4 years also. And end up with the double lines, because 4 years, how to calculate 4 years? This is for 1 year, second year, third year and fourth year. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Mehak, show me your copy, beta. Sure. You are also doing by this way. See, this is not the correct way, and you are writing on the page. You will submit that copy. Noel, show me your copy, beta. Noel, show me your copy. Yes, make the proper format, beta. See the lines which I have made, you have to do by that way, good way, but make the lines, double lines, everything. See the screen. Noel, see the screen, how I am doing. You can do by that way, beta. This way you can. Got it? Any doubt? If you have any doubt, you can ask. Now I am giving you one question. Noelton, you have not made the question properly. Please see the lines, see the double lines, how you will present the question. Meg Bajaj, you also, please be careful about that. What you are doing, you are writing on the pages. Make the copy, proper copy better. Now see, note down the question. On 1st April 2016, company purchased a car of rupees 5 lakh. Company purchased a car of rupees 5 lakh. Depreciation at the rate of 20% per annum. Depreciation at the rate of 20% per annum by diminishing method. By diminishing method. Prepare car account for 4 years. Prepare car account for 4 years by showing your calculations. By showing your calculations clearly. Now children, I am going to show you one more account, that is depreciation account. See how to make depreciation account. Savan, look at the board please. This is depreciation account. Credit, debit, again date, particular amount, date, particular amount. See how to make depreciation account. Look here, depreciation is in the plant account and that is in credit side. So we have to transfer it on the debit side. Date is given 31st March 18 to plant account and that is 10,000. On the same date, that is 31st March 18, we transfer it to P&L account. Close 10,000, 10,000. Same next year, 31st March 19, back to plant account. But second year, what will be the amount? Yes, Anchal. What will be the amount for second year? From here. That is 9,000. Same 31st March 19 by P&L account again 9,000. By the same day, we we have to make for 4 years. So depreciation account is always prepared with the help of plant account. First year, second year, third year, 8100, fourth year, 7290. Same way, every year that will be transferred to profit and loss account. So first in the exam, we have to prepare plant account. Then with the help of plant account, we have to prepare depreciation account. Note down, please. Make the depreciation account also. Make the depreciation account. Please. Depreciation account also you have to make. But depreciation account is prepared with the help of main account. Because first we calculate depreciation, then we transfer it. I'm sure you must be able to